Mathematics part first, chapter number 2, quadratic equations. So first of all, definition of quadratic equation is an equation which contains only one variable and highest power of variable is 2, then this equation is called quadratic equations. So let us see, students. Next, general form of quadratic equation. General form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are constants and x is variable, students. Okay, and highest degree of x is 2, therefore this is quadratic equations. Okay, so let us see practice set 2.1. Practice set 2.1. Question number 1 is write any two quadratic equations. Write any two quadratic equation. So students, solution is we have to write any two quadratic equation. So first, m square plus 2m plus 3 equal to 0, and second, y square minus 3 equal to 0. See students, here coefficient of y is 0. Okay, so this is also can be written as y square plus 0y minus 3 equal to 0. So this is also quadratic equation. So second question is question number 2. Decide which of the following are quadratic equation. So first question is x square plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. So in this equation, see, the variable is 1, that is x, and highest degree of this equation, highest power of variable x is 2. So this is quadratic equation. So how to write its solution? So solution is given equation x square plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0 contains only one variable and degree of variable, that is highest degree of variable is 2. Therefore given equation is quadratic equation. Now let us see question number 2 from same question. So second equation is given that y square equal to 5y minus 10. Y square equal to 5y minus 10. So solution. So we have to decide that this equation is quadratic equation or not. So first of all, write given equation in standard form. See students, this given equation is not in standard form. So given equation y square equal to 5y minus 10 can be written as y square, shift this 2 term to left hand side, it will become minus 5y and plus 10 equal to 0. After shifting plus 5y and minus 10, it will become negative signs. So the variable in this equation is only one and degree of, that is highest degree of variable is highest degree of this variable is 2. Therefore this equation is quadratic equation. So see students, we have to check that in any equation the power of that equation, power of that variable should be 2. Okay, so highest power, we have to check the highest power of that equation. So see students, in this equation, so the highest power of this variable y is 2 and this equation contains only one variable, that is y. Therefore this is quadratic equation. So first of all we have to check one, that the equation should contains only one variable, and second thing we have to check that the highest power of that variable is 2. Then that equation is quadratic equation. Okay students.